Hey guys, what's up? Welcome again to Vandoys Vlog 101. And before I am going to give a new video for today's vlog, I am going to give you a few reminders that we need to put God first in everything that we're doing and always choose to be happy. For today's video, ipapakita ko po ang opening ng basketball tournament here in San Isidro Lagonoy, Camarines Sur, located here in Lagonoy North Coastal. So, i-witness po natin ang opening nila from the parade, from different teams. So, keep tuning in guys para makita natin yung mga groups nila and alam ko na ka-enjoy na gawin po ito sa bawat barangay na patuloy na nagkakaroon ng mga ganitong tournament. Alam ko challenge po ito sa mga players natin dyan. That we need to be sports all the times no matter what situation is. So, kailangan po na maging sports tayo when we're joining on this kind of activity. So, thank you. Keep tuning in guys. Natin nagpe-prepare pa po sila. Ayan sa ground nila. I mean, sa court po nila. Ayan. So, they are still preparing and then nag-iipon-ipon po yung mga teams po bago mag-start. So, keep on watching po. Approaching na po sila. Ito po si Kolo, isa sa mga fans natin sa Vandoys Vlog 101. Ayan na po yung yellow team, red team, green team, and also sky blue, and then blue team. Iya po. And we have also maroon team. Dali boy! And approaching na po sila, yellow team. Ang muse nila si Monique. Red team, si Dara. Ano pa? Green team, si Trisha. Ayan. Tiko kayo dyan. Ayo, saro-saro ka ta. Blue team, muse is tiling. Iyo, kanya-kanyang team. Lahat, may distance dapat. Distance ka muna eh. Mag-distance ka muna. Green team. Headed by Trisha May. Red team, use Dara, followed by yellow team, use Monique, and then sky blue team, muse is Robelin. Maroon team, and also we have blue team. Ayan, blue team, last one. nagkakaroon ng meetings and briefings dito yung mga referees and their coaches. Avid fan po ng mga teams dyan po sa sa basketball tournament natin dito sa lugar. Ayan po si pinakamagandang ano dito. Ayan. Ay, meron din po yan sa gilid. Ayan, mag-start na po yung game. Agad-agad mag-start na sila. Green team. Hindi ko na ano sila sa bago nila. 1, 2, 3. Oh, smile. Next. Kasalukuyan nagkakaroon po sila ng pictorial ngayon. Every team.
Ano taga sa rin ng yellow?
Line of the yellow.
Direct. Tol, para laya. Guru.
They are preparing.
Oh, referee. Ayan po. Wow.
Itim po natin yung green team kasi wala po yung mga referees kanina.
Hindi po.
So, ulitin natin. Simula na po sila. Yellow team versus sky blue. like also to recognize and to commend the effort of Mr. Nong Baduria under his management. Naging matagumpay po ang event na to. And looking forward pa tayo sa mga susunod na event, sa mga susunod na mga laro nila. Alam ko magiging matagumpay po ito. So, under the cooperation na rin ng mga players na kasali po dito. And we would like also to commend the San Isidro Lagonoy North Barangay Council and also the SK Chairman's group under his management. So yun na nga guys, ipinakita ko na sa inyo ang opening ng basketball tournament dito sa San Isidro Lagonoy, Camarines Sur, located here in Lagonoy North Coastal. Nag-enjoy po ba kayo? So silence means yes. Alam ko nag-enjoy po tayong lahat sa panonood. And kung nag-enjoy talaga kayo, just click the subscribe button and also hit the notification bell for you to be notified on my latest videos na gagawin. So again, stay safe, stay pretty, stay happy, stay positive as you can. Alam kong hindi po tayo pabayaan dyan ng Diyos. He is ready to intervene. He is ready to guide us and to protect us. So thank you, and then keep tuning in and keep on supporting my YouTube channel. Thank you, and God bless every one of you.